So imagine if you were able to acquire a customer, get them to purchase a product from your store on Amazon, and get them to purchase that product over and over again. That would truly be priceless. So in this video, we're going to be talking about 4 strategies that can help you retain customers, your customers on Amazon, and get them to purchase your products again. Are you ready? Let's get to work. So retaining customers and getting customers to even recommend your product to friends and family is priceless. It's priceless in e-commerce and any type of sales situation. But on Amazon, it becomes a little bit difficult, especially that even though it wasn't clear before, but now it is clear with Amazon's updated communication guidelines that they updated at the end of 2020. Now it's very clear that, well, we can't really communicate with clients on Amazon. Amazon views clients as being their customers, and we're just the sellers providing the product. So you need to be very mindful and you need to be very careful of how you communicate with clients and how you're able to retain them. With these 4 strategies, I'm sure you're going to find at least one strategy that you can start implementing straight away. I hope you can implement all of them, but at least you need to start thinking about this when you start selling on Amazon. You need to think long-term rather than short-term. So let's start with strategy number 1, and that's stand out. What does that mean, and what is the easiest way to stand out on Amazon? Well, it's to become brand registered. One of the ways of becoming brand, or the only way of becoming brand registered on Amazon, is to register your trademark with Amazon. And that gives you access to EBC, Enhanced Brand Content, which means a lot of things are going to change for you. You're going to have a storefront dedicated for your store name, where people can log into the storefront and access and look at different products that you might have in your range. You'll also have enhanced brand content on the product page itself, meaning you can add a video, and all statistics show that a simple video on a listing improves conversion rate by about 30%, just that video, because it truly transforms the product into being just a picture and an image into something 3D with images and with video and music and a lot of additional bells and whistles. Also with EBC, you can create better looking brand pages and product pages and have some additional explanation, images, all of that. So it looks really different and it improves your conversion rate dramatically. Now, with that being said, you need to have a trademark in order to be able to apply to brand registration. And that's not always something that you want to do from the very beginning, because it is an investment both in money and in time. So maybe that's not something that you want to do. But if you are at a level where you're getting really good sales and you want to try to retain your customers and you want to try to have them really be part of your journey on Amazon and really be loyal to your brand, well, you need to look like a brand, but additionally, you need to look like you are standing out, you are different. And EBC truly helps you with that, especially that not a lot of people are currently doing it on Amazon UAE and Amazon KSA. So you will truly be different and you will definitely stand out from the crowd. Now hold on, before I continue to strategy 2, 3, and 4, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society, and we help brands, entrepreneurs, and businesses sell successfully on Amazon in the Middle East. If you want to know why we're so passionate about Amazon in the Middle East and what business services we can provide you, all you need to do is to log into our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You can additionally book a consultation call with our sales team. Also, make sure that you like this video and you are subscribed to the channel so you are notified whenever we upload videos 3 times per week in English and in Arabic. Let's move on to strategy number 2, which is include something extra in your order. What does that mean? Imagine you're a customer, you order something from Amazon, you get the product and you open the package and you get a free gift. How wonderful is that? It could be something really small, but it shouldn't be very cheap. It should be something small and useful. And traditionally, you wouldn't announce it in your listing because you want it to be a surprise. That way, you retain more customers because they're so happy they got something for free. Everybody likes free products. So they got something for free. It could be a gift. It could be something small with your logo printed on it. Anything that can just put a smile to somebody's face and they feel like they got something for free. For sure, you want to explain to them somehow with an insert card or something that this is a gift with purchase. So that this is a gift. This is not something that you mistakenly added to their product. So you want to make sure you do that. And additionally, you can also add an insert card thanking them for their purchase, thanking them for their support, and definitely asking them to leave you a review. They just got a free product, they'll probably be more inclined to leave you a review. Additionally, in your insert cards, you can also push them towards your e-commerce websites and show them, or even just a landing page to explain a little bit more about your product, your business, and what you're doing online and on Amazon, and your business strategy. Well, not your business strategy, maybe your mission and the idea behind your brand. For sure, these are all of the things that are very important because you want to try to establish a connection with your client. Now, speaking of insert cards and pushing them to your website, it's very important that you encourage traffic. Strategy number 3, encourage traffic to your very own website. Maybe you don't want to add an insert card with your website. Maybe you don't want to do any of that, but you need to have an online presence. For sure, that's going to make a very big difference. Amazon, no way can you add your website on your Amazon product page. You shouldn't add it at all. This is very much against Amazon's terms of service. Adding your website is going to be seen by Amazon as you stealing the Amazon customers and sending them over to your website. That's not going to work. So do not add your website or any of your social media on your Amazon product page, even in the images. So don't add it to your bullet points, your product description, and definitely don't add it to your images. This is going to cause you a very big problem. But what you can do is you can have an online presence, because a lot of people are very curious and they do search for you online. So they might find the product on Amazon, they might purchase it. Maybe you don't have an insert card, but they're so happy with the product, they go online, maybe on Instagram or maybe on Google, and try to find more about you. So you need to have an online presence so that when they search for you, they can find something at least. So having a nice website, it doesn't have to be an e-commerce optimized website. It can just be a brochure website with all the different products that you have is definitely very valuable. And also additionally, adding an insert card where you can send your customers directly to your website so they can discover a little bit more about you and your brand is also something that's very important, because you're going to be able to retain them and to have them believe that you are truly a brand and you're doing this you're doing it very seriously, and you want them to invest in more of your products. Now, strategy number 4 is definitely very simple, and that is provide exceptional customer service. How do you do that? A lot of people will reach out to you on Amazon, asking you small questions maybe about your product, even sending you private messages, asking you if you can give them a discount or anything like that. So it's very important that you communicate with anybody that communicates with you, and that doesn't break any of Amazon's terms of service. So if they communicate, if they send you a message, you have to reply to them as soon as possible. Make sure that you respond very professionally. Have a template type of situation where you can, add a hello and not have to type it every single time. So you can have a template format of how you can answer a customer's query or their question. You want to showcase yourself as a professional, and that your brand and your business are also professional. So having exquisite customer service is fantastic. Reaching out to someone, telling them that you're okay with giving them a free product, giving them a reimbursement, sending them a free product if they are not happy, is something that's very important, because you want to try to retain this customer as much as possible. You want them to have a good experience, because they will go and tell other people that they had a good experience with you. and the product that you are selling. So it's very important. If you can't do it yourself, you'll definitely be able to find a VA on websites like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com that can do it for you on a daily basis. So you can find a virtual assistant that can help you give this fantastic customer service if you're very busy, or if you simply just don't like that part of business. So launching a product on Amazon can sometimes be the easiest part of selling on Amazon. It's very important that you think beyond that. How can you retain the clients? How can you get more customers? And how can you be more profitable? So all these strategies are very essential because you need to think long-term rather than short-term. Make sure that you like the video, you leave a thumbs up, you like the video, you leave me a comment, and you subscribe to the channel so you are notified whenever we upload new videos. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye!